down in Cape Town, and today we are in Chinatown, actually by McD's, baby. This is what we have going for us today. Alright, let's see, where is it? Oh, nice. That's the comb. It's a bit awkward, isn't it? So you're going to clear up more. Hey?
Must I clear up this?
Yeah, as much as we can so we can access the comb though, no?
Okay, but I don't need
so
like
we can. You can see up on top. So raw honey. At the nearest McDonald's. Yeah, well, you're gonna have to get there first one. The first because there's brew there, just on the third one after. Are you gonna put that in the buckets in or what?
What do you want to give them?
I don't know.
Give them? Don't you want to give them this?
Yeah, you can do it.
I just don't want to damage it. I'm trying to not damage it, but
The problem is
it's gonna fall.
just grab it actually.
So let's just grab them. But
You're needing this.
yeah, mark it.
The 2 pieces of.
There's another. Okay. So I think it's gonna come loose.
Yeah, she just.
Let's just grab somebody. He's still looking. Okay, let's see. Oh,
Stick it again. Oh, that's capped, isn't it? Nice.
You must grab, no? Grab it. We can either bring the frame closer or higher or something.
Cut the also.
It's going to damage this because the branch is just cut it. Take this out. You're still recording?
Yeah, it's all recording.
I think it's not gonna fit.
It's gonna fall. Do you want me to put the back in the bottom? En een beetje groen.
Go girls, go. Race, race, race like your life depended on it. Standing there, nothing there.
She just don't need to catch queen. She catches herself.
Yeah, we're making way. Making way, no. Is there still smoke coming out? Did you put a pine cone in it? No?
yeah.
Take it.
Go on, let's come out. Is the camera there?
Gonna get it now. She's hiding at the bottom.
Yeah.
Wait, Rashid, wait. Wait. There she. No, man. You didn't open up. Okay, wait.
Aku nak.
Wait.
Ini guys, mooi.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Yo. Damn.
Mati.
Is this it? This is not one of that stupid clips. No?
Job done.
What is that?
Screw you, dude.
What is that?
Go to me, mama.
Got the mama. Got the mama.
En views. Jimmy gonna say run for money.
Ja.
Alhamdulillah, we caught him.
Alhamdulillah.
Then she ran away from us 2 times. The third time he said, you know what? The sunnah. She's not gonna get away
There is
this
a
time.
sunnah, yeah.
So, alhamdulillah.
I said there's no other.
I threw it was on the lid, man. And guys, that's a wrap, Zain. Last minutes.
McD's in the box.
It's called the Happy Meal.
These things.
The Happy Meal is rocking up here.
Super.
So then I just come with chai food and